Hello, you beautiful people. So today I've created another celebrity inspired makeup look. This is inspired by Urvashi Rotala. She was crowned Miss Diva 2015 and represented India at the Miss Universe 2015 pageant and made her Bollywood debut with Singh Sahib the Great and did many more other Bollywood films. I just personally love this particular look. So let's begin how we created this particular makeup look. I'm going to start off by using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It's lightweighted, affordable, look really beautiful on every skin tone because it suits to all skin type, blur out your skin and is very long wearing. Here I'm using another long wearing product. This is the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation in the shade of Chai. This is that kind of a foundation which is going to give you full coverage, and Urvashi Rotala is very much famous for her flawless skin. So I'm going to be using a foundation that can cover all imperfection on my skin, and here I'm going with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. It's a lightweighted formula and also look really flawless on the skin, and I wanted my skin to look really nice and beautiful and poppy, and I'm using a neutralizing shade. So here I'm just going to neutralize my skin and make it look very poppy, nice and bright. I'm going to blend everything in, and here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the shade of 15 Light, and slightly going to bake underneath my eyes and also all the places wherever I have applied my concealer because I do not want any creases whatsoever on my face. After this, I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Wonder Stick. This is a 2-in-1 product which has one side the contouring shade, another side is the highlighting shade. I'm not going to be using the highlighting shade because I'm here specifically going for a contouring shade. So here I'm going to be using the contouring stick all over the places wherever I need to just cut off my face, and I'm using my brush to just blend everything and make it all look very nice and chiseled and sculpted face. I'm going to take my time in that, and after this I'm going to be using the Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I am going to be using the first two shades right here as you can see on the screen itself. I just personally love this eyebrow cake way too much. It's very affordable, look really beautiful, and you have to give it a try if you haven't tried it already. I'm going to be using the YBP Shreya Jain Color Cream. The name was not written on the tube itself, so I am going to be mentioning that in the description. So in case you're interested to buy these, you can definitely go ahead and check my description, and I'm going to leave every single detail up there for all the products that I'm going to be using in this particular video. So here I'm just blending everything in as you can see right here, and after once I'm done with the pigmentation that I'm looking forward for, I'm here going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon palette. It's a very beautiful palette, and I'm going to be using that poppy purple shade. It look really pink, I don't know for what reason, but it is purple in the shade, and I'm going to be popping that all over my eyelid. Taking this same color, I'm going to be smoke it underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to take my time in this. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to take the concoction that I used for the first time on my eyes and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Here I'm using the L'Oreal's False Star or Superstar is the name if I'm not wrong. I'm going to be using this particular mascara all over my eyelashes. I personally feel this is one of my favorite mascara of all times because this look really nice on my eyes, and I feel this just brings up that length and volume to my lashes, and I am in love with this one. Here I'm using the Ardell Wispy lashes in the shade of 122. As per we are imitating the look that she was wearing, I think this one is the perfect one to go for. I'm going to be using the lash glue again from Ardell, and here I'm going to be popping this on my eyelash. These are very comfortable to wear and also look very nice on everyone. Here I'm using the YBP Shreya Jain Color Creme, another shade that I'm going to leave in the description. I'm going to be applying this on the highest point of my face, on my cheekbones, on my brow bone, on my forehead, also nose, cupid's bow, chin. And after this I'm going to take another two shades for my lip, and I'm going to be making those two concoction a beautiful mix will come out. And here I'm going to be applying it on my lips directly, and this is somewhat how the whole look turned out to be. I hope you guys have really enjoyed watching this particular video. I personally enjoyed creating this particular look for you all guys. If you haven't checked already all the other videos that I've made for other celebrity, then you can definitely check around on my description box. Thank you so very much for watching, and if you really like watching this particular video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Love. Bye bye.